Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ring camera step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Ring camera and ensuring all components are present. Find a suitable location for installation, preferably near an outdoor power outlet. Download the Ring app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. Open the Ring app and sign in or create a new account. Tap on the Set up a device option. Select camera from the list of device types. Choose your specific Ring camera model from the options provided. Follow prompts to connect your phone to the Ring camera's temporary Wi-Fi network. Once connected, return to the app for further instructions. Choose your home Wi-Fi network and enter the Wi-Fi password when prompted. Wait for the camera to connect to your Wi-Fi, which may take a moment. Once connected, you will be guided through the camera setup process. Follow the instructions to mount the camera in your chosen location. Ensure the camera angle is adjusted for optimal viewing coverage. Secure the camera with screws provided in the installation kit. Plug the camera into the outdoor power outlet if it is a wired model. If you are using a battery-operated model, insert the battery and allow it to charge fully. Test the camera by viewing the live feed through the Ring app. Adjust settings such as motion detection and notifications according to your preferences. Complete any additional setup steps as prompted in the app. Your Ring camera should now be fully operational and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.